We got to be quick because the bin men are coming. Come on. Bernie, you coming up quick? Come on then. Come on, we've got to do it quick. Good boy. Come on then. There you go. Good boy. Are you coming? Come on then. There you go. Another one? Good boy. Right, put a few down there, look. Scruff, you're going to be quick? You're going to get some of those? Right, let's go and find Ruffles and the others and I'll meet you all up here. Hello, Ruffles. Hello, how are you this morning? How are you? Hello, Peggy. Come on then. Good boy. Hello, Peggy. Are you going to be brave? Come on then, you take one. Good lad. Peggy, you come in? Come on then. Will you come in? Come on then. Good boy. Good boy. Right, Peggy. Peggy, there you go then. You come in. Come on then. No. Right, they've gone past. You coming back, are you? Good boy. Are you coming? Come on then. Come on. I thought you was a brave starling. I did. I thought you was very brave. Come on. No. Right, who have we got over here then? I think the bin wagon's just scared everyone. Come on. You come in. Shall I put some there? No? Right, if I put them down, the starlings are going to get them if you're not quick enough. So you need to be quick round here these days. Don't you, Bernie? Hey? Good boy. Right, you come here. Bernie, you come into the tin? Right, Scruff, you first then. Scruff, you get yours. Come on, there you go. Ruffles. Right, let's throw some for Peggy and hope she's quick enough. Peggy. She didn't even bother. You need to feed her or get her trained at least. You do. Right, let's move back over here then. Right, Bernie, you know where you need to go. Peggy. Peggy. Right, are you ready? There, quick. Good girl. Right. Who's coming onto the post then? Come on. I take it the brave starling's told all his friends. You've got to come to the tin if you want it. I'm not throwing it down for you. No. We're going to need a bigger tin. We are. We're going to need a bigger tin. But it gets like this every year around breeding season. They just start to mob you and then it'll dissipate again afterwards and I'll end up with Bernie, Ruffles and Scruff again. Oh, you've all gone this side. You're all hiding behind me now. Okay. Right, Scruff. You're handling it all very well. You going to take one to Ruby? You take that? No, you're going to eat it. Yes, no one's forgetting you, Ruffles. There's one crawling. There you go. I know. No. I know. There's enough for everyone. You've just got to share. Right. You come in. There. Scruff. You're just watching it in bewilderment, amazement, I don't know. Right, come on then. Who's next? You're all making me do a lot of walking backwards and forwards today. Ruffles, come on then. Where's Peggy gone? Come on. You coming back? Come on. Have I got to walk back over there and feed those and then you're going to come back? Is that what's going to happen, is it? I bet it is. Come on then. You come in. You come in. I'll put some more there. Right, come on then. Anyone else that's not a starling? There you go. You're not bothered about the starlings, are you? Hey, you're not bothered. Some more in the tin. Can we get some out of the tin? No? You're not going to be a brave boy? Or possibly a girl? Come on then. Come on then. There you go. See, you've got to be brave. He said, you keep talking to me and putting me off. Come on. Look, they're there. You going to get them? No? Okay. Right, you've all been fed. Ruffles is still sat there. What are you doing, Ruffles? Are you coming? Last chance before I go. Good boy. Good lad. Is he going to feed Peggy? Yeah, he is. He's just fed her. Good boy. Come on then. Come on. Ruffles, come on. Who's doing all that shouting behind? As if I didn't know. Are you going to be brave? Shall I come to you? Shall I come to here then and then you come back to me? Come on then. Come on. You come in. You going to take her another one? No? Oh dear. Come on, Ruffles. Come on. You're just being awkward, aren't you? Hey. Are those sparrows bullying you now, are they? Everyone's picking on Ruffles. Right, are you coming? No? Right. Ruffles, come on. You can come straight to the tin. Come on. Come on, they don't bother you then, do they? As much. Come on. I know. You're just being awkward, aren't you? Hey, you are. There you go. Oh, he's giving it to Peggy. Yes, he is. He's a good boy. He is a good boy. Right, I'm going to throw some seed down. There you go. Right. Last chance before I go. No, you done? Right, I'll see you all later.